In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the year view in Google Calendar. This feature can be a real time saver when you want to get a bird's eye view of your entire year, allowing you to plan ahead with ease. So whether you're organizing your work commitments, scheduling important family events, or simply don't want any surprises, this annual overview can be incredibly beneficial. First things first, let's head over to Google Calendar. You can access Google Calendar directly by typing calendar.google.com into your browser's address bar. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to do so. Make sure you're using the right account if you manage multiple calendars or have several Google accounts. Once your calendar opens, you'll likely find yourself looking at a weekly or monthly view. It's time to change that. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This is where the magic happens. Your view options are located here. Typically, you'll see labels like day, week, month, and even a schedule view. But what we're after is the year option, although take note it might not be immediately visible until you open the drop-down menu. Here's a tip. If you're struggling to find it, look for a button with a drop-down arrow or simply a gear icon. This varies depending on updates and whether you're using the calendar on a desktop or via a mobile device. Once you've found the drop-down menu, go ahead and give it a click. You should see a list presenting various choices on how to display your calendar. This is where all your viewing format options reside. Scroll through these options. You might notice that by default, the weekly or monthly view is selected, as these tend to be the more commonly used formats. To access the year view, simply choose year from this drop-down. This will then transform your current calendar display, presenting you with a comprehensive look at all 12 months on a single screen. One of the advantages of the year view is its efficiency in identifying busy periods or spotting gaps where you might be able to fit in new activities or commitments. However, keep in mind that while the year view is excellent for macro planning, it does not display specific appointments or events. For detailed planning, you might want to switch back to the monthly or weekly view once you've got a handle on the bigger picture. And that's it, you've successfully switched to the year view on Google Calendar. This simple switch is a powerful tool in helping you organize and optimize your time management. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to explore Google Calendar's other features and settings to personalize your scheduling experience even further.